So the session that we are going to cover is we have done the visual formatting. We just let you know the visual import from the market. Okay. So what is the mean of that? So let me open the what. Sometime what happened that we need to export the visual. Okay, and means the visual that we have. Okay, that visual is not sufficient. Uh, we need to find some other solution for it. So to this there are two three ways. Okay, you can export your visual in Power BI. How, I'll let you know. Okay, the things has been changed now. Okay, so I don't know last session I informed you or not, but yeah, session has been changed. The window, the here, the pane that was showing, okay, all has been changed now. You can come view here and select all pane together, and it couldn't take your much space here. And I would say like so the data and other one is page. Then we have the performance analyzer. Then the bookmark. Then we have the sync slicer. Then we have the selection. So these kind all option you can select one by one together, and also filter too. So that's the best part is that if you wanted to remove anyone, yes, you can do that as well by uncheck here. So since new things appear, so please make sure practice it. Then we have insert. In insert, see the here all visuals that we have, and next even if you are on home page, here also you can see that. Okay, so please try. Don't we can say deviate onto it, because since you are new, so new thing is implemented. So might you get confused that there is a day 4. Perfect. Let me use this data to show you. Just loading the data, hardly take less than a minute. Now loaded successfully. Let's save it. Okay. So I told
Yes,
you
sir.
that we wanted to import the visual layers. Come here. Okay. Click here. Maybe go to the view. Also, you can see this option insert, and see this option. So you maybe go main screen. So our insert. So everywhere same option is there. Get more visual. Click into it, and whatever visual you need it. Okay. So just click into the visual. Add and wait to load it. Okay, it will prompt you to import it successfully. See this, import visual successfully means visuals appear. So if you wanted to see where the visual is, so you can see this is the list that we have. All we can say waterfall into waterfall, and this is the zoom chart that we added here, and by click here you can add to. And also if you wanted to change, click into it, it will change it. Okay, if you
Okay, sir. What is drill down, sir?
what is
Drill down.
okay, one by one will come to you, then let you know. Okay, slowly we are moving it. We have
Okay, sir.
everything to cover. Yeah, since I'm not going fast, because if you're going fast, usually these things will cover in class 3. But since I know you will take a time, that's why I'm going slow. Don't worry, it will cover everything. You drill down, bookmark, then we have selection, grouping, these kind of things, measures that need to be covered one by one. Okay, so thus I tell you that how to add a custom visuals. Now, sometime a few websites provide a facility to we can say create a custom visual into the environment. So how should I do that? So to this, uh, To this, there is an option which is called store. So come to the Google and Visual Store. Visual Store, okay. Click on that. Power BI, Power BI app store. Source visuals, okay. So Power BI visuals, just click into it, open it, and now here I have a list of the visual you can find out on this platform, okay. Same that you are getting from here, we can say by clicking this option here, but yeah, it here showing some limited visual. Here we have many visual we have, and then click into it and get it now. Sorry, and you can download it. Going to download into it, and after that come here and click open the window, then go to here, import visual from a file, okay. And now go to the download, click into it, open it, and now update, okay. You see this update successfully. The latest one I have updated, that this one. So any visual you have, you can add, remove. How should I remove it? Remove the visual and click I want to remove this one, remove it. So you can try it your end. Let me know if in question, I'll help it out, okay. So this is the first part that I told you. Let's close and open it once again. The second thing that we're going to cover, Power BI filter and highlights, data source and relationship among the database, okay. So, and here we will cover the bookmarks and how to create the menu in Power BI by using bookmarks and selections. So to this, first what we need to do, we have suppose what happened, I'm creating two visuals together, okay, and I want anything. Whenever I select it, hide and show. So how should I do that? So let's create one visual here. I wanted to create the visual here. See this, then add the axis country, then add the y-axis cells. Okay, this is the visual that I have, okay. I want, whenever I wanted to add the button, okay, so I wanted to replace with some other visual here too. So let here, and this one I want change it with the this visual, okay. So sometime I want to see this one, sometime I want to see that one. Parallel don't want to see together. This is the business need. So there is an option called, let me remove the filter option right now. View, remove the filter. So let's format bookmark, okay. So bookmark is a panel here. You can go to the view, see bookmark, okay. So go to the bookmark here. Bookmark and selection, two things wanted to use together. So what is the difference between them? Bookmark and selection. Bookmark allow to capture your last action that you did in the Power BI. Means whatever last action have you done in Power BI, you can save here. So I want create a bookmark first. So let's go to the bookmark. This is a bookmark icon and select the bookmark. I want column chart. And next we have what the call is bar chart, okay. So column chart and bar chart, let's make relationship into it, okay. So to this, go to the here, and I wanted to select that, okay. So first let's go for the selection part. So here, see this. Here we have option to hide and show. See this. Hide and show. Hide and show can be possible here. See this. So I want whenever it hides to display this one. So let's do this one, okay? And I wanted to capture in the button 1. Next time I want this one can be hide and this one can be show. So this thing wanted to capture into the bar chart. Now see this. If I select this one, display this. If I select this one, display this. So this is called bookmark. Okay. Even you can create the menus as well. So, and I want it should be keep save on the one visual. Say this. So if I create the button into the Power BI that can going to help us into it, so it will be much better for us. So let's do it. So to this, go to the home, insert option. The option name is buttons, navigate button with bookmark navigator. Okay, bar chart, column chart, 2 option was there here. Go to the format. Okay, sorry. First go to the grouping. So here if I going to create the group doesn't appear that, but if I select this one, it will create allow him to create the group. Okay, so we have a group 1 which is called column, and here we have a column chart and bar chart. Okay, so to this, let's see, I will create it to the button like suppose left and right, it will work it. Okay, so now come to the come to the format here, bookmark. Sorry, select call and enable this one, select bar chart. Okay, we have two options was there. So see this, I created the one column here. Instead of this, okay, I wanted to column chart, I wanted to see here, we can say, let's adjust it first. Click into it, style and shape. So I wanted to change size into 79, 80, you can say that. And width size to be 10, 500. Is it too larger? Let's change 250. Wow, good. Now horizontal size is this. Yeah, little bit good. No, decrease it, correct. Come to the background color should be change to this color. Okay, visual border should be red color. Sorry, and rounded it should be 20. Shadow should be inside so that looks can be better. Shape can be circle. I want to use rounded rectangle, and then let's change. Sorry. Perfect. Tax rotation completed. Now go to the property. Enable it. Icon color should be this. Border color be also this. And background color should be also same. No, this one is complicated. Other icon.
Sir, how to change the black color, sir?
That's what I'm looking for because they recently changed it now. That's I'm doing it. Some option should be there. Title, style.
Okay, sir.
No, I'm checking. I'll give the solution. Fill color should be this. Border color should be this one. Glow. reset default. Let's do it once again. Mark, save. Actually, when things should be new, then we get even any problem here. Bar chart, okay. And now I want this color should be changes to white showing blank. Property, advanced, maintain layer order. Let's do one more. Let's check it 75. Right now is still the changing many things. Horizontal, vertical, more padding. Here I can adjust the size of this one padding part. The ground color is good, and I want visual color should be this. Shape size, rectangle, rotation, style. Fill color is this. Bottle color is shadow. I change this one to here, okay, correct? The ground color. So I change this from size here, and then padding the ground color. If I do white, I will change this one. Transparency should be there. Shadow pattern. Okay, wait, I'll change the color just one second. So let's do some changes here, then after we'll do that, okay? White color, white, icon color 0. To advanced option. Shape should be rectangle, okay, or maybe you can take it as a round, and then the rotation is not needed. Okay, I'll let you know, because right now I don't know how should I do that. Let me change this one to button. So come to the here, okay, now, and type circle, Unicode, circle Unicode, okay. And now see this is the option, you can get it, copy, okay, copy and come here and click in here and paste that. It doesn't come. Compact. It was not copied from there. Okay, now copy here. Okay. Why am I not able to copy it? Copy. At least we got the circle. Next, the circle is coming. So now onto to format it. So go to the format. if I doesn't show the shape, go to the shape only, enable it. Then I want to change rounded circle, rounded corner. If I select the default value, it should be changed to, let's change to the left. Okay, left, then everything looks good for me. If I select this salon selection, it should become right and size should be 25. No, okay, and adjust with inner padding, so little bit up, little bit up, and then now if I select here, font color should be this and fill should be, instead of black, wanted to write this color. Okay, means whenever I select this one, it will automatically fill it with this color. Oh, so the shape circle should be changed to the white color then, because it couldn't be displayed there. Wow, now it looks good. Okay, so let's adjust this one in the same circle and little bit spaces here. So if I select this one, see what happened here and there, correct? Got it? Okay, let me explain once again.
Yes.
This is the okay, this is the button. Okay, it's a little bit critical process. Okay, it's not easy to one way, too many steps it has. Okay, so first step, you must create the two, we can say two bookmark here. Okay, once you create the bookmark, okay, then tomorrow I'll upload the complete video on this scenario, so you can watch it. Don't worry, I'll get the link, you can watch it, complete video. I'll do that. Okay, meanwhile this video, if you want it also, you can understand about it, don't worry. So if you want, I can repeat it to you once again. So what I'm going to do, you can just create the two bookmark by clicking here. So I say on, and then I add here to off. Okay, so select two of them, go to button, navigate here. Okay, see there's too many options there. I want to delete this one. How many bookmarks you should create, that going to capture by the automatically. Okay, so I would wanted to format it. So come to the visual here and let's create the first grouping it. So I wanted to group this one by selecting this and group this one. So group 2. Yeah, I can select group 2 as well if you need. And thereafter format, come to the directly bookmark, in below option select group. On format, bookmark, group 2, select all, select on, we have selected, now off. Okay, on group 1 to on, and this is off, selected that. Next we have, go to the bookmark and instead of on, paste the circle that we have, so that it will change to the circle. Now I wanted to move left and right, so what we do, we have to do, go to the format, select this one, and we have a shape formatting option here. So obviously the status of it, so round, I want to round it. Okay, so round circle, I want this one, and talk about the size to be 50, rounding corner. I wanted to round this one. Thereafter we go to the shape and style, so you can adjust the size of this one, so like this. Even adjust the manually if you need it. Whatever size you're looking for, you can adjust manually. If you initial phase, you can do that. Okay. Now rotation, we don't need the rotation. Style prospect, if I select something, so as per selection I wanted, but I wanted to see default. The default should be this. I want should be left side, and then color should be it should be blank, bold, and I wanted to change font color should be white, and background color should be this. Okay, now on selection, wait, on selection I wanted to should become right, and size should be border. You add also a different thing. If you want, you can add a different thing as well. Then we have to fill the color, which is this, and background color should be, yes, background we already added that. As per the switches will automatically add that. Then we pass the border name, give the border transparency, reduce it. If you want to give the shadow, if you need shadow, give different color, transparency, remove it. Okay, and that's it. And say this is coming below, so let's adjust here. So I want it should become on top. No, I think this one will be on top. Oh, it's going down, correct? 35. I think adjust little bit. Okay. If I click this one, say this. If I click this one, it's coming here. If I click this one, coming here. Circle. If I click here, let me adjust the circle little bit here too. Yeah, there's a problem into it. Say this. So the same way I created it. So whatever action added in the bookmark, you can do that. Okay. I know you hardly understand this one, but yeah, you can watch the video, practice it the same way that I did it, and you will learn. Don't worry. Okay. Got it? Should I move or should I wait? Do you have any question? Can you hear me? You are in mute, Monica.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, yes.
Just I unmute. Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. So see, button prospect, I know you hardly understand. It immediately not possible. Even I wanted to create that. It was take 4 hours. Okay, so I know it will take a time. Don't worry. So things is already available for you, and remember it will work on the control. All bookmark working with a control button. If you did not press the control button, you cannot use it. Okay, so test more and learn more. Let's come to the filter. Closing it, since I have many examples, so let's show you.
Okay, sir.
What is the filter? You know, everyone wanted to create the report. So to this, everyone have their, we can say, different type of opinion. Like they're looking for some controlling your data in a different manner. So this is called we can say filter, and what all type of filter has, I will let you know within second. Okay, so first talk about the filter. We can say how should I apply filter, and what is the use of it, what are the benefit. So that going to explain into it. Okay, so talk about the filter prospect. Filter we have whenever we select anything. Okay, so let me remove the filter here completely. You know, Power BI has a feature, if I select anything here, so it will change in all data. See this, it's changing all data. So that this is called dynamic filter. Dynamic filtering, like, is a Power BI feature. If you didn't make any changes, it will automatically populate it, and you can use it. So sometime we need to control the data, so that as per the filter we are going to control the data, and that particular category wanted to apply from everywhere. So this kind of level of reports we have. So first level of report called page level filter. So what is the page level filter? I want this page can say Austria data only. So see this, if I click outside of the, we can say, visual, let's just this one, here blank. Okay, if I click, I see the Austria, I given the filter for this page. If I remove this, it will display all data, but I want to see only, we can say, Germany data only. So let's come here. How should I do that? So to this, you can use customer and then use the country name. So say this, here I have a filter. See this, here I have filter this page, filter all page. So this kind of feature it is available. Okay, so I want to filter this page only. So since filters on this page, so I select country and paste here, and select any country that you're looking for. So Canada, I'm going to select that this time. Say this, we have Canada only here. Okay, and as well as all detail is coming in Canada base only. See this, all the type of country belongs to Canada. So this is called country level filter, and this is needed when we are working on the multiple country and region. Then one report can be published to the multiple people, but I'll let you know which is called RLS. In next session we'll cover that. Talk about the report level filter. I want each tab to be impact on this. Like suppose I don't want to see one particular item into the report. So let's suppose I don't want to use and the any postal code. So what I'm going to do, I'll select all, I'll remove to this one. Okay, and it will apply for all tabs without any hesitation. See, even see here too, say this, not this one, say this, apart from 3 always going to select it. So suppose any value which you don't want to see that, you can easily we can say uncheck that, and it won't be displayed in your report. That is the called page level filter. Now sometimes we create our individual level filter. Like suppose I wanted to see one specific condition related data. So like here I wanted to see only like suppose we are assistance parts only. So let's remove it, this one, and I don't want to see blank. I wanted to see blank right now, but situation come and says I wanted to see data marketing managers only. So click into it and say I don't want to see blank. So is not blank, apply this filter, and also apply here too. So that don't want, here you can say is blank and possible, no problem. Blank and also possible. Say this, it will remove it. So here you can say is not blank. Okay, so data would be displayed. All data can be displayed as per their policies, as per their filters. So must try to create this one. Now sometime customer said that you should not create, if I select anything, shouldn't impact anything. Okay, let me show you the example for you. See this, here I created the DAX part, calculate is a function. I'll cover that, don't worry. And I create the total sales, simple sum. So see this total sales. Total sales is sum x ordered by this. This is a function. Okay, I did it. And after that, I want to see data US only. Other filter I don't want to apply. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to pass here the all. Okay, and bracket open and close it and close it, and thereafter it will work. So I put the all. What is the result is appearing? It doesn't. We can say allow them to see the. We can say filter. Doesn't allow to filter that. Where I've given the option which is this. But there is a solution call which is remove this one, so that filter doesn't impact. My data is coming as intended. If I use here, let's see what happened. I wanted to remove the all filters that we have in order table, and then I wanted to give the filter. See, doesn't impact between it. So if you wanted to remove your all filters, pass the all column, all we can say, and it will remove your all value. Doesn't need anything. Even you can pass it. If I wanted to pass here country name in a slicer, okay, so the slicer is this, and select Denmark, it doesn't appear anything. Say this. But if you select USA, it will give the data. Say this, USA has this many market, you can see that. So selection based also you can possible switching. That's gonna let you know by one. Okay. Now this is the filter called custom filter. So what all filter we have? First one we have simple, which is dynamic filtering. Second is page label filter. So, third we have the we can say report level filter. Fourth we have custom filters and visual level filter. These are filters we have available. DAX is different thing. DAX is different thing. You can say that. So these are filters we have. Must try to learn into it. I've saved this PBX in your file, and you can apply that. Okay. Any doubt? Let me know. We can say how to we can say refresh the data source refresh data set in the Power BI. So this data set I wanted to publish in my services. Let's do it. So must log in here. Okay, so I logged in already. Publish here, and I wanted to publish in my personal workspace. Power BI filter report name is. Select this one and publish it. Success that. Even you can click here too. You can visit directly to the portal. I have license, don't worry. What is this? Don't save it. Now I publish in here successfully. This is my personal workspace. Here I publish it. Report Power BI filter. So just type filter. This report is appear here. Say this. Same report that we have. Okay. Now click here. Go to the filter. Yes, tell me. We have then go to the data. We can say data flow and data sets settings, and now go to the gateway. Gateway is not configured properly. You're saying, so add to the gateway. Let's add to the gateway this option. Source name is Excel path. Then authentication, skip test. Username is I don't know, work on it. Skip test. Usually Excel must upload in the cloud. Okay, discarded that. Excel we must use on the cloud. Okay, so that is not working. Let me show you here. Schedule, say this. This is schedule option we have. So enable it. So where should you go? Go to the my workspace or whatever workspace you have. You can select your specific workspace. Then have to go to the data set, and then refresh schedule refresh. Then select daily and weekly. So weekly we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Which date are you looking for? You can schedule as per your need. And so weekly, daily and weekly. So daily and weekly. So now I don't want to use Saturday and Sunday, and add the time that you're looking for. So if you have a license, remember I told you first day. If you have a license, so you should pro license you have 8 time a day. If you have a premium license, 48 time a day. So understand as per the license you can do that. Add many items. Then after I wanted to use morning 8 a.m. should be refreshed. Then after I wanted to add 12 p.m. Then I wanted to this one should be refreshed 3 p.m. and then I don't want to refresh it. If in case fail, then email will reach out to me here. Here is the option, but I didn't see that right now. So who is the owner is displaying me, but they made changes into it. So now, if you wanted to pass email, if any other email address, you can type here and apply it. So whenever refresh got filled, you will get the email. External sharing, no, doesn't allow. Data set image. If you wanted to pass your image, specific you can pass it here, but I'm just using default one. Okay, this is the schedule refresh. Any doubt here, just let me know. Talk about the gateway installation prospect. I told you gateway is required. If you have the cloud, then gateway is not required. If you do not have a gateway on premises, then you need to install the gateway. Okay, got it, Monica?
Okay, sir.
So this schedule, talk about the relationship. What is the relationship? So let me explain the relationship first, then move to the next part. Relationship, mainly 4 type of relationship available in the Power BI. So talk about, let me explain basics concept of the relationship, then we'll come to the we can say relationship part. So what is the relationship? Relationship is depend on the keys, data of the, we can say, column. So suppose I have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever column you have. Okay, so what I did, I created the unique value for it. I created the unique value like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Against I passed the any value. It may be duplicate, it doesn't matter for it. Okay, but what happened? This is the 5 names we have, and there are many people working on the cells. Like suppose 2 people working on the cells, they're making the cells. So whenever they make cells, made a cells, every time data going to report in the second table. Like example, let's talk about one cells made by F. Oh, A, B, C, and F. Okay. Now, cells made, first cells made by the A, Second cells again made by the client name is different. Then we have third cells. Third is made by the B. Okay, so maybe yes. So this way is in repeating the key in different we can say table. So instead of using A, B, I wanted to use 1, and S is a 2. So I use, this is called, see this. Here is repeating, here is unique. Okay. So what happened? Where is unique value? In a primary table. So that is called primary key. Primary key. And if the reference in the key pass in different table, which is called FK foreign key. Understood? The same reference pass in different table, which is called foreign key. See this here. This is the department ID and IT mechanical electronic. 1 to 3 departments we have, and ID going to repeat every time, which is called foreign key. For this table we have a primary key. For this table foreign key. Understand? And now I want that these sections to be watched twice in the department ID passed twice thrice here. Okay, so it means that we passing a reference every time at the department, maybe 1 people 20 people work in a particular department, so we must take care about these things. Talk about the we can say here the same concept I'm going to explain here. So we are going to work on IDs here. So IT prospect, suppose I want common data, two data, table A and table B here. I'm looking for the common data, so we'll make a relationship between them, foreign key and primary key. I can exploit only common data only, which is called inner join or maybe join. Second, we have the we can say left join. Sometime what happened that I want the data should be left table, I want all data, right side I'm looking for only common data, then we have a left join. And if I'm looking for the right side full data and left side common data, then this is called left join. But if I'm importing many data together, both table together, which is called full join. This is the SQL prospect, okay. But talk about the we can say Power BI concepts. So the concept is same, slightly difference between it. So here I have a report view, data view, and again we have a model view. So for model view, must we go to the relationship manager and see this. These are relationship has been made. So click into it, anyone, and see this. These are options available. Many to one, which is left join, means left side complete data and right side only common data. Many to one. So many to one means again left side. After that we have 1 to 1 inner join, means both side common data I'm looking for, and 1 to many right side left side common data, right side full data, and many to many means both direction we have full relationship is required. So all data I want to export here, not a common data. Now whenever I filter this one table, okay, so if I filter if I filter shippers, okay, so dynamically filter the all data, okay. So what should I do? Just change the both direction. So if I change here, then also going to impact it. If this one change, then also this one going to impact it. So that is called both direction. And if it doesn't want to impact, then see this. I doesn't want to impact that, so I create the single direction. So this is called single direction. See this. If I click here, single direction. If I change both direction, see this what happened. It will change the both direction. Either filter this one and this one will be same result. So what happened? Sometimes we have multiple tables. So one link with another link with another link with another. So this way, if you do both directions, it will going to help you. But try to control your model less, so that it will going to help you. This is called relationship. Any doubt, let me know, we'll answer your questions, okay. If you do not have, watch twice thrice, let me know if you have doubt, okay. So can I stop or should I continue the we can say some DAX part? So next session we will cover the question that you ask, will drill through, drill up, everything we cover, and then edit query, and also calculated field few formula going to code. Because DAX prospect we cover take 1 day. So 1 day is going to hardly take 2 days maximum to cover everything. I'm going a bit slow so that you can understand. That's the reason. So should I move or should I stop? What is your opinion? Let's continue with this. You are on mute, Monica. If you are speaking too.
Oh, sorry, sir. Stop, sir. I want to learn slowly. So,
Okay. Okay, don't worry. So what you need to do, you can learn it. Okay. Let me give the video to you. Let me stop it first.
okay, sir.
Wait one second.
Okay, thank you, sir.